Ornith 1.09b is basically the small model that punches way above its weight. Deep Reinforce built it as a 9b parameter coding agent that behaves like a mini Claude Code or a lightweight OpenAI style reasoning model you can actually run on a single GPU. It's tuned for agentic coding, meaning it doesn't just spit out answers. It thinks, plans, scaffolds, and executes like a real coding assistant. It uses reasoning, handles tool calls cleanly, and works great inside agent frameworks like OpenClaw, OpenHands, Hermes, or your own custom workflow. Performance-wise, it's one of the strongest open models in its size class. It beats Qwen 3.59b and Gemma 412b on most coding benchmarks, hits 69.4 on Ubench verified, and shows real-world strength on ClawEval and Terminal Bench. In short, it's fast, smart, and surprisingly capable for a model you can run locally. It's fully licensed, supports long context, and plugs into transformers, VLM, Erlang, Ollama, LM Studio, Llama to CPP, so creators, devs, and tinkerers can drop it straight into their stack without drama. For this video, we are going to use Ollama. Ollama is the easiest way to get started with local LLMs. To install Ollama, first go to ollama.com. Then on the main page, you will see a PowerShell command. We can either run this or download Ollama. I prefer to use the PowerShell command. Next step is to open up PowerShell. Simply paste the command from the Ollama main page. You can use Ctrl-V or simply right-click to paste, and then just simply wait for the installation to finish. Now that we have Ollama installed, we need to download a model. Go click on the models link on the upper left and it will show you the list of all available models. Note that some are available either through local installation or through the cloud. Once you find the model you want to download, click on the model name. Inside the model page, there might be more than one variant. Choose the variant you want and make sure that that size would fit your video card memory. Scroll down to see the command you need to run. Now go back to PowerShell and paste that command. This will download the model automatically and run it after download. Please note that if the model has already been downloaded, it will just run the model. For this demo, we are going to use Hermes agent through Ollama. Open up the Ollama app, then click on launch on the left side pane. It will show you a bunch of options. Look for Hermes agent, then copy the command. Then same as before, go back to PowerShell and paste this. Make sure to choose the right model. For the first test, let's see if it can understand complex code bases. I have a comfy UI wrapper app that automates the video creation of LTX 2.3 videos. Let's see if it is able to understand it. I will ask it to give a detailed explanation and suggestions on how to make it better. It did a good job of identifying the codebase. It was able to identify key files, their roles, and it also provided good suggestions on how to improve the app. This proves that it can understand large codebases. Very impressive. For the second test, I wanted to use the Kimi Web Bridge skill. This skill allows AI agents to control your existing browser, which has all your saved credentials, history, and all that stuff. It failed terribly for context. I used Codex and GPT 5.5. For this skill, it posts autonomously on my X account flawlessly. This is a fail for this model.
So for my use case, I actually use enterprise models for real work, but for hobbies or pet projects, this small model is more than enough. And I hope this video helps someone out there, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you guys. Bye bye.